Hello guys, today I will show you how to boost processor or CPU speed in Windows 11. First of all, right-click on Battery and open Power Options. Be sure that you have selected High Performance. Then, click on Change Plan Settings. Click on Change Advanced Power Settings. In the menu that was open, scroll down until you find Processor Power Management. Minimum processor state should be set to 0. And maximum processor state to 100%. Click Apply and then OK. Restart your laptop or PC so that changes take effect. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tips useful, please subscribe to our channel.